Right now, they are threatening us that they want to be going and they have not done anything yet. Please, Nigeria, what is going on? This is not a free and fair election. We are all going to vote. You people should bring out the presidential papers or else there will be trouble.
Hello, Nigerians. We are still on the election updates. So it happened that after the elections, all the INEC officials in most polling units refused to upload the result sheets on the portal, on INEC portal. And in some cases, some people were seen, some officials were seen trying to rewrite the results, to rig it in favor of one party or the other. Thus, they must have been paid for that. So it's obvious that this election is not free and fair, and INEC is corrupt. So see more videos for yourself about the whole thing and how they are trying to rig this election. You can see the man sitting down. He is trying to rewrite the results, and the woman is warning him that this is not the right thing to do, that is against the rules. And the man is insisting that he must do what he has to do.
He's actually telling you facts.
We were searching for you. You went into hiding.
And then I want Tipex everywhere. No, it's the truth, Yes, the thing he's doing is wrong because we are seeing the results here and not the results we had at the polling units. And he needs to stop what he's doing because he's now entering everything into the master sheet for the beavers. Yes. Google content invalid already. Now, not in beavers. And then Google result or enter and see. Nothing but now. Yes. Then what missing? Google result or enter and be. It's not what happened at the polling units. Beavers. Yeah. Beavers. No, but it's the truth. Odolonso, because what he changed results. What he changed results. What he changed results. Yes, we do.
Bring it out and compare it with what is on the ground.
It doesn't matter. The beavers has the results. Let's go and get the beavers. What he's doing now is not correct. He's entering manual results and it's not what he did at the polling units. They are entering manual results and it's not what we did at the polling units. And he's entering it into the master sheets. And he's doing it from look at all the Tipex that I didn't see. And they expect us to keep quiet about it. We told him to get the beavers machine. Let's start entering from the beavers, which is what we started doing from the other polling units. He says no. But look at all the Tipex we are seeing everywhere.
INEC officials, they finish the election and they don't want to upload. I don't want to upload the result that they did. I'm only estates. These are the people. They don't want to upload. These are the people. These are the coppers.
You are not speaking the language I'm listening to.
So police officers are here and don't want to upload the result of the election that they did.
You are saying no, but you don't know. You know.
How would they upload?
Good evening. This is live update from Romomasi, Obiakpo constituency. These are all the live beavers equipment for the entire Romomasi and Romobiakani. These are all the election materials. The POs and the APOs claim their SPOs did not send them the password to upload the result real time. But this is contrary to what INEC said. Contrary to what INEC said. INEC said you need to monitor and guard and secure your votes until they are uploaded. But the POs and the APOs and the SPOs, they've all abandoned this, and they are claiming they should take it to the Obiakpo Council for manual collation and the voters stayed there to protect their votes. They did not allow them to take it. So please, INEC, Rivers State, INEC Nigeria, take note.